Buying equipment is a big investment and can be a daunting process. Stick around and I'll tell you some things you need to consider when buying a printer. Hi, my name is Mike Goodwin and welcome to the Graphic Insights channel. I'm here to help you grow your wide format graphics business by providing sales and marketing strategies, how-to videos, media and equipment reviews, industry news, and more. When buying a used printer, the first and easiest thing you're going to want to check is a test print. This will tell you the condition and health of the printheads. Most printers are capable of printing a time and date stamp next to the test print to determine if it's the most recent one or not. When looking at the print, you're checking for ink deflection and or missing nozzles. Either of these can mean it's dirty or needs to be cleaned or replaced soon. And if there are no issues with your printhead, this is what you can expect a healthy print test to look like. The next thing you're going to want to look at is the overall condition of the printer. Does it have broken or missing covers? Is it missing screws? Does it have stains of ink on it? It'll give you an overall idea on how well the printer was cared for. Is this the original owner? If not, how many owners has it had? Does or has the printer ever used third-party ink? I'm not saying third-party ink is a bad thing, but no matter what others say, it is not the same as OEM ink, and it can cause parts to prematurely wear. Has the printer been serviced by the owner or certified technician? There are many people capable of repairing their own printers, but similar to third-party ink, it's just not the same as an authorized service technician when it comes to repairs. If the used printer you're considering is less than 5 years old and is still under manufacturer's new or extended warranty, don't assume that that warranty transfers with the sale of the printer. Manufacturer warranties from HP and Mimaki will transfer to a new owner, but Roland's warranty will not transfer, so make sure to check before buying the equipment. These are all things to consider before buying a printer. The absolute best way is to tell the health of the printer when it comes to internals like frequent error codes, how many head strikes, scan motor hours, wiper counts, etc., is to hire a technician to look over the printer and pull a report with all that information. Also, check to see if the printer you're looking at is on the manufacturer's EOL or end of life list. That doesn't necessarily mean that parts aren't available, but they can be harder to obtain, or OEM parts are no longer available. Either way, manufacturers are obligated to support equipment after 5 years of equipment being listed as EOL. I have links to HP, Mimaki, Roland, Muto, and Epson below. None of these things should be the sole deciding factor or deter anyone from buying used equipment. That decision is ultimately up to you. However, these should all be taken into consideration when determining a final sale price and if the equipment is a good fit for the growth of your future plans. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. But if you want to know even more, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification so you never miss when new content is uploaded. Thanks for watching.